today.
Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to Florida Drive-By. I am in Sarasota, Florida. Going to be making a turn onto Highway 72 Clark Road. I hope everybody's doing pretty good. Today is February 3rd, 2016. And there's some traffic out here today. I have my senior medium Dunkin' Donuts coffee, which was about I think they charged me like $2.12 or something for it. Decaf. Avoid the caffeine so it doesn't speed my heart up more than it is sped up from shit going on. Oh guys, I hope everything is going good for you guys. You know, with me, it comes and goes. It's up, it's down, it's all around. I really haven't been doing much with the guns. Right now, I'm just trying to get my one Glock all set up. I'll probably be going out to some competition shoots for the Glock Shooting Association, and maybe do some volunteering out there. But I hope everybody's great out there. And that's the nice thing to join. It's the GSSF. You can go to their website, just Google them. For like 35 bucks, you can join it.